Ecamm just introduced camera overlays. This is going to change the way we do overlays and graphics with our live streams. Now we can create graphics that look like these. And if you would like any of these graphics that you see in this video, they are all available free for download. I'll tell you how at the end of this video. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Linder with Explanatory Live, and we help entrepreneurs and business owners with their live streaming needs. So please subscribe, hit that like button if you find any of this information valuable. Also, to follow along, you can also download the Ecamm Live software using this link. So here we are inside of Ecamm Live, and all we really want to do is focus on the scenes panel and on the overlays panel. So let's start from scratch and then we'll get into the camera overlay. So first, go to your scene panel and hit the plus sign to start a blank new scene. Now what's interesting, this is not actually blank, even though it is black. So we want to go up here where it says source, and we want to make sure that not camera is selected, but that blank is selected. That will ensure that the back layer of our scene is completely empty. That's exactly what we want. So now if you go down here to overlays, we can see that there is this symbol for camera plus, new camera overlay. And if you hit that button, you'll see it here. And then what you can do is actually hit this gear icon, and now we can select our camera. So let me select the camera I'm using right now. Here we are in live mode. And you can actually move this around. You can resize this just like you would before. But now if you hit this pencil icon, you can see here different aspect ratios. You have wide, classic, square, round, tall. And what I would recommend is using custom. So if you use custom, what this is going to do, it'll let you move your camera feed to any aspect ratio you want. So already you can see the possibilities here. Before, you were really locked in to where these cameras were appearing by using this interface here in the down in the right. This is really pretty much irrelevant now. You don't really need this. So if you go up here, you can see this is my camera overlay. Now check this out. You can actually hold the option key, and I can copy this, and copy another one, copy another one, copy another one. And then here in my overlays panel, you can see that each of these I can assign different cameras to each one. So I could assign the Logitech Pro, I could assign a different camera, I could put maybe some of them round, like that. You can assign each of these camera overlays as guests that are coming in, using the new interview mode, which is really useful. But let's delete these and actually use it in a real world scenario. So again, our background is blank. And now what we want to do is we're going to bring in an animation that's looping into this scene. This is an add animated overlay. And just go down here and select loop. And if you scroll on your mouse or resize it to the proper size, and there you go. Now what's neat is this is an animated overlay, right? And it will loop. But you actually don't have to use it as an animated overlay. You could put your camera on top of this overlay. So here's my camera. I just created the camera. I'm going to select my camera that I want. And you can see it's over this graphic. But I could actually take it here. And if I am on custom size, I could actually resize this to any size that I want. So now it can actually fit right in there. So this means that you could actually take photos around your house of objects or other things that are square or without angles, basically. And you could actually just put a camera overlay on top of that. So if you have this here, you can just hit Option, drag it over, and there you go. And then I can assign this to another camera or to another guest or what have you. Now, if you like any of these graphics, again, you can get them at the link below. This is a looping animation. There's a bunch of other graphics in there that you could use for your live streams that might be helpful. So you can already see the possibilities that camera overlays opens up for your live streams. For example, check out this video that I recorded, a way to start a live stream. This would be, bringing in a laptop, about to go live. Oh, there I am. Hello, how you doing? Hey, there he is. So this is only possible because with this new feature, I can actually move this camera overlay anywhere that I want inside this frame. And then when I want to end this animation, I can just go to the next scene, and it plays another video, ends the video, closes the scene, says goodbye, and there we go. Or let's try this same thing using an image. There it is. Now, what do you think we can put here in this image? Well, how about a camera overlay? So we'll just add the camera overlay. Again, we'll choose the camera. Let's make sure custom is selected. There you go. So you see, there's a lot of possibilities here. Here's a camera overlay that's a circle with a timer. Or what about a picture frame with a clock? Or what about a whatever this is? Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that like button. Everything that you need to download is at the links below. The software, the graphics, everything's there below. Also, if you're interested in animated countdown timers, how to use them, maybe how to get some for free for your own live events, check out this video over here.